Hi friends! So today, as a matcha lover, I wanted to share with you a new matcha I got 2 weeks ago. It's a brand I really like and that I use since 2024. It's Noritual Lab. Then you can find on Amazon, or those who are in Madagascar. It's one of the brands you can find on this site. This one is Shizu. I already tried the Uji one, the Ryuku one, and the Kagoshima one, which is my favorite because it's really rich, really umami. And yes, we are going to try this one today. They didn't have the 70 gram, so I got the 40 gram. And I think I will need to buy another one because I use 4 grams of matcha for each drink I make, so it will last for 10 drinks. So or maybe 1 month or 1.5 months. So yes, let's unbox it. So now we are going to make a matcha latte. We are making a simple matcha latte with my golden ratio. It's basically my own measurements, the ones that fit my taste. 4 grams of matcha, 40 milliliters of water, 6 to 8 grams of sweetener, depends on the milk I use, and I really love to use maple syrup, and 110 milliliters of milk. For the milk, it also depends on the matcha. If it has nutty notes, I go with soy milk as it brings that out. If not, I usually go with oat milk as it doesn't take over the matcha taste, and I like the texture. It's richer, less watery. First, I let the chasen sit in hot water for at least a minute. It relaxes the fibers. Then I sift the matcha. It helps avoid lumps because once it's in your mouth, it tastes bitter. And it also makes whisking easier later. I add about 12 milliliters of room temperature water and mix it until it forms a paste. No more powder, no more lumps. Then I add the rest of the water, usually 10 milliliters of room temperature water again, and 18 milliliters of hot water, not boiling water. I mix it clockwise first, then whisk vigorously for about a minute to win a W or M motion without scrubbing the bottom of the bowl. Then I lift the chasen a little and whisk slower for 20 seconds. And I finish by gently gliding it across the surface for 10 seconds. Now into a pretty glass. Ice, sweetener, a little bit of salt too as it softens any bitterness. Then the milk. And finally, the matcha for that nice layering. Okay, so time to try this matcha. The color is really pretty. There's a bit of yellow tones, but it's okay. It's not as rich as I thought it will be. It's good, but my favorite is still the Kagoshima one. It's, how can I say that? It's softer than what I thought. I don't really taste the umami notes, but it's a good matcha if you want to experience or to try matcha. I think this one is a good starting point if you want to try matcha. And that's it for today. I'm really happy to try this new matcha, the Shizu one, but I really hope they will release again the Kagoshima. I don't know if they plan to do it or not, but I really hope so. As you can see, I'm not really comfortable in front of camera when I have to speak English, but bear with me please. I try my best really, but I'm happy to do this kind of video. It made me practice and it makes me happy too to share my passion for matcha. So yeah, it was a pleasure. Thank you for watching until the end and see you next time, friends.